out of the box ideas, man. कहते लो जी, ये अब और आगे ले जाएंगे, अब ये सिखाएंगे, and they are right in their thinking. Please understand, think from their point of view. I am sure because most of you have studied management, you must have experienced. Successful companies are very rigid to make changes. Would you agree? Successful companies are very rigid to make changes. Yes, they are. Because they are successful. Why should they change? But then suddenly a youngster comes. Forget about you. You are the family people, so you can afford to make suggestions. Think about a young graduate, come from IIM Ahmedabad, comes and joins a company which is running successfully and tells that, oh no, these systems need to be changed. Your manufacturing system needs to be changed. Your sales strategy needs to be changed. Do you think they're going to listen to this guy? They will listen, but may not implement. Now what happens when I give a suggestion and not being implemented and I am from IIM? Obviously I go to Naukri.com, find out another job. Right? Successful companies are very rigid to change in their own rights. So we need to understand it when we enter a business, especially the successful ones. Yes, if your business is going through some doldrums, every suggestion is welcome. मैं जब समझ ही कुछ नहीं आ रहा कि हो क्या रहा है तो फिर जो बताए वही ठीक है, मसीहा है. But when the business is going great, why should they listen to you? So I want you to get rid of this notion that I should be listened to in a successful business. You may not. You may not. And there are sufficient reasons for that. Okay? So you need to earn that respect. To answer the question, how to implement these out-of-the-box ideas, first you need to show success in the existing system. Then your ideas are welcome. If you do not perform as per the current rules, you will never be given the authority to change the rules. First succeed with the existing in something and then give ideas. Then people trust you. Then people will open up to you. But otherwise, if you come, through a helicopter and start giving suggestions, people are not interested in those suggestions. People think because, you do nothing, therefore you give suggestions. Obviously bosses. Think from the employee's point of view. Think from the vendor's point of view. From your customer's point of view. Okay? So wise to wiser. But let us refrain from becoming otherwise. Because whatever brought you here is not sufficient to keep you here or take you there. You are into the business because good grace of God. Not sufficient to keep us in the business. We need to earn our place. And this, I guess, most of the entrepreneurs communicate to their children that you need to earn your place. Because see, please understand, it will be very shameful for an entrepreneur to be an owner and not be respected. I don't think you can handle that. You would want respect. Yes or no? Is respect your value? Respect को value करते हो? हाँ, तो respect को value करते हो तो फिर respect को earn करना होगा. You can't govern it. Can you read it please for me? What is written there? Cooks are many, chefs are few. Bandwalas are many, musicians are few. Halwais are many, Haldirams are few. Yes sir. Business people are many, successful ones are few. What do you think? What is the difference between a cook and a chef? Anyone?
Chef masters his art.
Chef masters his art, yes, very good. Or what? Tries new recipes. Wonderful. वो तो cook भी कर देता कई बार. नहीं करता? Okay. That's a routine job. Okay.
Chef is by choice, cook could be out of.
Chef is by choice, cook out of compulsion.
Could be.
Okay, could be. Okay, wonderful. और कोई फर्क है? Cook और chef में?
Chef is fully responsible for.
Fully responsible. यस यस यस। इनकी लाइफस्टाइल में बहुत फर्क है, इनकम में बहुत फर्क है, ऑब्वियसली है। One thing which differentiates cook and chef, other than all other things that I have just mentioned, is process orientation. Let me give you a very simple example. आपके घर में कभी कभी चाय बहुत अच्छी बनती है क्या? Yes, no? थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलिए। हाँ, बनती है। सपोज आपको अभी जो चाय आई है वो बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी की चाय आपको लग रही है, and anybody whosoever has prepared that tea, you ask that person, now bring me the same kind of tea after 1 hour. Can they guarantee it? Certainly not. It may not. Why? But in case of Sanjeev Kapoor, he can deliver you the same kind of tea throughout your life. Why? They have a system, process in place. For example, look at the people, whoever prepares tea. उनको बोलो जी 3 लोग आए, जरा 3 कप चाय बनाओ। पानी अंदाजे अनुसार, कितनी देर बॉईल करना है टाइम अनुसार, चाय की पत्ती कितनी डलेगी मूड अनुसार, हाउ मच शुगर फिर मूड अनुसार, उसको डालने के बाद कितनी देर उबालना है, कोई सेट स्टैंडर्ड है, अंदाजा है, सब अंदर से पता है, और फिर दूध कितनी डालना। सो बिकॉज नथिंग इज फिक्स्ड, सो द रिजल्ट इज ऑल्सो नॉट फिक्स्ड। बट इन केस ऑफ द शेफ, ही नोज 3 कप लो, his beaker is fixed. The spoon which he uses for adding sugar or tea is fixed, measured, timing fixed. So obviously the end result will be fixed. In India, only in India, these mother-in-laws, they have this famous proverb that किसी किसी के हाथ में स्वाद होता है, जो आज तक बहू के हाथ में कभी निकला नहीं। They don't look around कि मैकडोनल्ड का बर्गर दिल्ली में भी सेम, बेंगलोर में भी सेम, चेन्नई में भी सेम, ये हाथ का स्वाद कहां से आ गया? It is a matter of process. Yes or no? Those of you who are into manufacturing, you know, when you work as per a standard process, the end result can be guaranteed. Yes or no? So there it doesn't depend. If the process is right, the end result is going to be right. So today we are going to discuss some processes. If we follow those processes, we can really excel, thrive in family-owned businesses. But if we don't, then obviously, then it depends. Okay? So let's understand those processes. What do you see here? क्या दिखता है? गधा? Very good. अब क्या दिखता है? Very good. Bird? Now look at it carefully. It's the same image. Nothing has changed. Just one thing. The angle, the perspective. And the moment we change the angle, everything looks different. Right? Everything looks different. So the owner's perspective, the founder's perspective, and the inheritor's perspective at times are different. I am not saying which one is right, which one is wrong. Both are correct. But from their point of view, everything is right. Right? So it's all about perspective. What perspective you have. When you look at this picture, what comes to your mind? Kiska picture hai? Now, this is what it is. How can you be very sure that this is Ravana or Sita?
We have seen this comic picture, so
The right answer would be lady and a sage. But see, this is how we respond. With preconceived ideas, preconceived notions. सीधा रावण और सीता, इस पोज में किसी और की फोटो नहीं हो सकती। Now this is what thinking different is all about. But this is how we come up with answers, set answers, ready-made answers. And that's why I said the main job of an entrepreneur is to think better. You can't do with the ready-made answers. Yesterday's solutions are not applicable to current problems. So you got to think fresh. Only then we get respect. Now look at this picture. What comes to your mind when you look at this picture? What ideas? Come on. क्या आता है दिमाग? घी अगर सीधी उंगली से निकले तो मीठे नहीं करनी चाहिए. Now this is value. दोनों कैंडल का सेम वेट है. Oh, wonderful. Very good.
Taking energy from others also.
Getting energy from others. Very good. Yes.
The taller we need to bend to get high.
The taller is bending to enlighten others or to get high. Okay. Or which? Consolidation of energies.
Common goals.
Wonderful. Common goals. Excellent. Very good. I showed this picture in a big corporate house, which turnover now is more than 80,000 crores. So the program was for the chairman and the top 11 directors, not family members. So the chairman and 11 directors. I showed this picture. मैं कहा साहब ये देख के क्या समझ में आता है? So one of the directors looked at the chairman and said, लीडर का काम है दूसरे की बत्ती जलानी है. लीडरशिप होता है. लीडर का काम है दूसरे की बत्ती जलाने मतलब enlighten others, energize others, excite others. So the other director said, again looking at the chairman, पर ये ध्यान रखना है कि बत्ती हमेशा ऊपर से जलानी है, गलत जगह की लगानी है. मतलब sometimes some business leaders in their intention to motivate people, actually they start irritating people. Yes or no? Like these youngsters who are sitting here, let me tell you, we as youngsters, we hate this, cliche from the parents कि पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं लगते. बार-बार सुनाते हैं. पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं लगते, पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं लगते. And sometimes youngsters feel कि हमें भी पता है पेड़ पे नहीं लगते, तभी आपको पापा कहते हैं. What is this that you keep repeating unnecessarily? You think you are motivating us, you are irritating us. Right? Sometimes those people who have worked hard to reach to a business stage, वो example वो अपने वाले देते हैं. मैं जब 3 उम्र का था ना, बस में जाता था स्कूल, समझ में आई? बस में. तो अब मैं ये लोग सोचते हैं कि छुड़वा लो मेरी भी बस, या तो बस में अकेला मैं ही जाता हूँ तो चलो आई एम टू बी ब्लेम्ड. सबके बच्चे जा रहे हैं बस में. Now this young generation cannot connect with those examples. So but we think we are giving these examples to motivate them, but we are not motivating them, we are irritating them. My son is 14 years, sir, your son is 15 years. I stop myself from giving these kind of examples to my son because he doesn't feel related to these. अब जैसे हमारे को तो मोटिवेट करने गए, ओए मेहनत कर नहीं तो भूखा मरेगा, मेहनत कर नहीं तो भूखा मरेगा. अब अगर मैं सेम सेंटेंस अपने पुत्र को रिपीट कर दूं ना कि ओए मेहनत कर नहीं तो भूखा मरेगा, अब वो जो मैगी खा के एहसान कर रहे हैं, जो प्लेट में अगर खाना फिनिश कर दे तो मां ताली बजाती है, उनको कह लो भूखा मरेगा, दे कांट रिलेट टू इट. जा मैं एक दिन खाना नहीं खाऊं, सारे भूखे रहो. But then we are using these old examples to motivate today's young generation. No, you are not connected there. I believe to do any correction, first there has to be a connection. If there is no connection, there cannot be any correction. So every entrepreneur needs to learn a skill to connect with people around you. To connect with people around you. If I were in your place, and if my son is about to join the business, if he wants to join my business only, I would request him that if you want to start from the shop floor, then start like shop floor. You cannot come in your car to the shop. Uniform, not expensive watches, not very expensive fancy clothes, and you will not have lunch with me. Because okay, you are working whole day with the shop floor people and then you are having lunch with the chairman. तो वो कहते आज आधे दिन में जो ऑब्जर्व किया है अंदर फीडबैक जा रहा है. तो सर तो ये तो एक स्पाई रखा है हमारे बीच में. यू आर गिविंग देयर फ्रीडम बाय दैट. यू आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ दैम. यू आर नॉट. They will be very nervous, and you are spreading nervous energy in the organization. So, we may think that we are doing the right thing, but that is actually not. So, let us understand. Are we motivating people around us, or are we irritating people around us? Okay. Are you okay if I ask you one more question? Is that be okay? What do you think? What is the biggest problem family businesses have that they face? Coordination.
Son and father, they don't talk.
Father and son, they do not talk. Okay.
Transparency.
Transparency. One. Ego clashes. Power trip. Yes. Alignment. Wonderful. Or these family businesses, what all challenges do they face?